off with some ice cream.
And we're not the only ones.
Huh?
What's wrong, Gecko?
I'm not sure Vicky has enough sprinkles and toppings for everyone. Sticky screwdrivers! We need to get some more toppings, and fast! Vicky will be really sad if anyone misses out on a special ice cream.
We'll take Helena. She's the fastest friend for this job.
Be good, Max! We'll be back soon! Thanks for helping get the extra toppings, Cat. Oh, hopefully, this will be enough.
But Vicky had so many customers waiting. We need to start dropping these toppings to where they're needed. Fast.
That's why we're here. I have an idea how we can deliver and serve the ice cream toppings straight from the sky.
Buena idea. But how?
We'll update Helena's grabbing arm to dispense these delights. And also add some colour. Then everyone will know she's there to serve toppings from above. What tools do we need? Wrench, spray paint. Gecko's garage, time to fix. Gecko's garage, let's fix this. Let's swap your grabber for this toppings device. We'll first unscrew and then bolt it twice. With sprinkles and chocolate sauce that's sweet, you'll brighten any ice cream treat. These stickers and paint will make you pop, so you're the perfect pal for an ice cream stop.
Bravo, Gecko! We're ready.
Go, go, Helena! Ice cream helicopter! Incoming toppings! Grab your ice creams, everyone!
Perfect aim, Gecko!
Thanks, Cat! Introducing Helena, the Topper Chopper! You're most welcome, Vicky. Always happy to help our friends. Now that's the taste of sweet success. Goodbye, everyone. Hello, everyone. Smashing day for you to join us here at the construction site. Today, Eric's going to knock down this old wall with his brand new wrecking ball. Mr. Weasel fitted the wrecking ball to Eric's bucket arm, so let's hope it works. Rusty wrenches! Oh no! Eric's been tricked! That wrecking ball is really just a giant rubber bouncy ball! Huh? Let's catch that ball! Thank goodness you're okay. And you've even given me an idea, Red. Don't worry, Eric. You can catch that ball. We can fill your bucket with sand to soften the bounce. And I'll fix a lid to trap it inside. Eric, we need your bucket! Mechanicals, we need that barrel. What tools do we need? Pliers! Wrench! Gecko's garage, time to fix. Gecko's garage, let's fix this! Your bucket's now positioned right. I'll tighten this nut and bolt it tight. This metal's sharp, so So stand back there. Let's cut and move this barrel with care. This lid was a very good call. So come on. Oh! Let's catch that bouncy ball. You can do it, Eric. Bullseye! Oh, great catch, Eric. Oh. Not quite how you planned it, Eric, but the job is done. Great teamwork. Bye, everyone.
Hello, everyone. We're giving Fiona fire truck a service.
Oh, it's been a long day. Excuse me. Now, what's next, Mechanicals? I think this is yours, Blue. Now, what were we doing, Mex? All done? Spinning screwdrivers! That went quickly. Hello, everyone. Today, we're at the beach for some rest and relaxation. Whoa! Careful with your belongings, Blue, or you might lose them. Oh, fantastic work, Eric and Dylan. And you too, Blue.
Hola, Gecko. What a spectacular sand garage.
Thanks, Cat. Did you find any buried treasure with your metal detector?
See, whenever my detector finds something made of metal, it makes this sound.
Amazing! It's a treasure trove. Ah, what a perfect end to a great day at the beach. Time to go home. Rusty wrenches! Where are my garage keys? Did they fall in the sand?
The keys are made of metal. Let's look for them with my metal detector.
Great idea, Cat.
There. I think your keys are inside the sand garage.
Inside? I must have dropped them while making the sand garage. Thanks, Cat. Now to get them out.
Hurry! The sun is setting and soon it will be too dark to find them.
Hang on, Red. Our friends Eric and Dylan worked very hard on this sand garage. Digging might destroy it.
If only we could pull the keys out without breaking the sandcastle.
That's it, Cat. We can use a magnet to find the keys. But we're going to need some help. What tools do we need? wrench, screwdriver.
Gecko's garage, time to fix. Gecko's garage, let's fix this.
A magnet instead of spades and hands will pull the keys through the sand. We'll attach this magnet to Eric's arm to reach the keys without doing harm. Eric's arm will help us reach the keys hidden underneath this beach.
Meow wow! That must be the keys.
Yes, indeed. This way, Eric. Phew! We got the keys! And the sand garage is safe. Now let's head on home. Wait, where did Blue go?
We might need a bigger magnet for this one.
I think you're right. Goodbye, everyone. Hello, everyone. Today is the Gecko Grand Prix. Tilly's filters are clean and her engine is topped up with oil. You should be faster than ever now. Grandma Gecko wins the trophy every year. She's the best ever.
Good luck, dear. Try to keep up.
We closed the road all the way to the beach. So let's race!
Hang on, little one. Looks like we have ourselves a race. Cheeky. Where did he learn moves like that? Oh, yes, from me.
Look, Red, there's the finish line. We're going to win!
Hold tight, my dear darling.
Huh? Where's Grandma? Spinning screwdrivers! Miles can't move! His suspension is broken! Come on, let's get Miles over the finish line. We just need a temporary spring. Aha! Pick up your tools and say this rhyme. At Gecko's garage, it's fixing time. This old fence is from way back when, but I can make it useful again. It's good for us to reuse old things, to make new parts like suspension springs. Pistons work with fluid inside to help you have a comfortable ride. With these part-time parts fixed in place, you can get back on and finish the race.
Oh, thank you, Gecky. Great job.
Gently does it then, Miles dear.
I'm so proud of you, Gecky.
As long as we both cross the line, that's all that really matters.
Oh, I must fix this leaky eye.
Goodbye, everyone. Oh, hello, everyone. Me and Blue were just heading out to get a Christmas tree for the garage. Oh, it's Bobby the bus. He's stuck. Oh. This hot chocolate will warm you up. Don't worry, Bobby. We'll soon get you unstuck. Oh. It's no good. Unhook us, Blue. We'll try something else. Oh no! Now Tilly is stuck in the snow. Oh dear, Blue. It looks like we're stuck too. Don't be sad, Blue. Someone will help us. At least we have this hot chocolate to keep us warm. Oops! Look! The hot chocolate melted the snow. I have an idea. Hee! It worked! Hang on, Bobby. You're welcome, Bobby. But what are we going to do with this fallen tree? Aha! Perfect! Merry Christmas, everyone! Hello, everyone. Gecko here. Today's a very special day. It's Baby Truck's first visit to our garage. So we want to give her an extra special Gecko's Garage welcome. Hello, Baby Truck. Are you nervous? It's okay. You're in safe hands. Right, Mechanicals? Ah! Huh? No! Baby Truck! Wait! Oh no! We've frightened Baby Truck away! Don't worry, Mummy Truck. We'll find her. Quick, Mechanicals! We need to find Baby Truck! Poor Baby Truck. Where could she be? Huh? Are you hiding, Baby Truck? Is it because you're nervous? Guess what? Me too. It's your first time at the garage. We wanted to make your visit extra special. I'm sorry if we frightened you, but I promise we'll take extra special care of you. Is that okay? Garage doors open at speed. It's time to help a vehicle in need. Have an amazing day, Baby Truck. You are so brave. You're welcome, Baby Truck. Thanks very much for joining us at Gecko's Garage today. Bye! Spinning screwdrivers. Who could that mean?
Oh, hello, Frog. Perhaps you've noticed my new car. This is Sylvester, or Sly for short.
Hi, Sylvester. Nice to meet you. Excuse us, please. Someone needs our help. Dylan's in trouble at the construction site.
Allow us to help. We'll get there in no time.
I think we'd better go anyway, Mechanicals. Go, Tilly Tow Truck.
I wonder if we can help Dylan without getting close to that horrid mud. Aha! I knew we'd fix this! Pull slide! Do I have to do everything myself? Pull me out, slide! Curse this miserable mud!
Don't worry, we'll soon get you free. Go, go, Mechanicals!
Perhaps you'd like to visit my car wash, Sly.
Oh.
And you're welcome to use it too, Mr. Weasel.
No, thank you!
See you again soon, everyone. Bye! Oh, well done, Cat.
Gracias, Gecko.
We're here at Cat's place for her birthday today. We got her a big cake, but shh, she doesn't know yet.
Vamos, Helena! Someone needs rescuing!
Don't worry, Yellow. I just need to adjust the winch.
We need to fall fast. Helena, stop the rotor. Ready, Gecko?
Almost. Yes!
Another happy landing.
And happy birthday, Cat.
Gracias, amigos.
Hooray! Ah, hurrah! Hello, everyone. We're at the construction site with our friend Dandy. He's teaching Baby Truck and Red how to be firefighters.
Oh, gee, I'm super excited too. Now, recruits, the next lesson is fighting a fire.
Look! Eric's built a safe place to light a practice fire for Dandy.
To put out a fire, we pour water on the flames. Time to grab your hose.
Safety first, Red. Helmet on properly. There.
I've got you, buddy. Woohoo! That's what I call fighting a fire.
Wow! Great job, you two. Fiona, look out!
No!
Dandy saved Fiona. Oh.
Don't panic! Dandy's here to deal with the danger.
But how will you get back down?
Next lesson is using Fiona's ladder to rescue someone stuck up high. Like me.
Oh no! Fiona's ladder won't reach. Spinning screwdrivers! Dandy might fall. We need a longer ladder. Fast! I know. To reach Dandy, let's join Fiona and Baby Truck's ladders together.
Pick up your tools and say this rhyme. At Gecko's garage, it's fixing time.
Quickly, let's undo these screws, because there's not a minute to lose. Now fasten the ladders together tight, so we can give them extra height.
Huh?
The final fix to reach our friend is to bolt Eric's bucket on the end. Dandy, climb into the bucket.
Dandy dive! Thank you, brave recruits.
Phew, everyone's safe. Thanks, old pal. You taught us a lot today.
And you all taught me the true meaning of teamwork.
Goodbye, everyone. Welcome back to Gecko's garage, everyone. We've just been installing our emergency alert system. Huh? Someone must be in trouble. Go, Tilly Tow Truck! It's Eric, the excavator! I think he's hit a rock. Look, he's broken his caterpillar trap. Oh, Blue. I know the storm is scary, but we need your help. Will you be brave for us? Oh, I can't reach! And I'm too big to fit through that gap. Huh? Oh dear, we need to be fast. I think that dam's going to overflow. Blue is small enough to fit under. Well done, Blue. You're being really brave. Oh no! The dam's going to collapse. Hurry, Blue. Oh, well done, Blue. You faced your fears. And look, a rainbow. It's Cheerio from Gecko. Bye!
Hello, everyone. We're in the great outdoors today on a camping trip with Fiona and Dandy.
Gather round, everyone. Dandy's here with some campsite rules to make sure we all stay safe.
It's important to know how to have fun and be safe.
Rule number 1, always follow campfire safety. Rule number 2, respect nature. Always pick up your litter and leave no trace. Rules.
Thanks, Dandy. Let's all be sure to follow these rules. Does anyone smell fire?
No! Fear not! Dandy's here to deal with the danger!
Great work, Dandy. You saved Mr. Weasel's camp.
You mean ruined my camp? Let's go, Sly. They're cramping my camping style. We're stuck.
Oh no! Mr. Weasel's stuck in the bog. We have to help him. Grab onto Fiona's hose. Oh no! It won't reach. Fiona, can you drive any closer?
Uh-oh! Fiona's wheels are spinning in the slippery mud!
Aha! We'll extend the hose and wrap it around that tree for leverage and turn Fiona's reel into a winch. What tools do we need? Hacksaw, wrench.
Gecko's garage, time to fix. Gecko's garage, let's fix this.
First, tie this rope onto the hose, and then we'll see how far it goes. Wrap the rope around this tree, the stronger our pulling power will be.
Oh!
Fiona's hose is now a big, strong winch to pull our friends free, inch by inch.
We're free! We're muddy.
Daddy's here to deal with the dirt.
I have soggy underpants.
Rule number 3. Always bring an extra pair of dry underwear.
Goodbye, everyone.
I hate mud.
Hello, everyone. The mechanicals are having a play date with Barry and Carrie. Oops! Are you both okay? Barry and Carrie have dented their bumpers.
That was quite some boo-boo.
Oh, don't worry, you two. We'll soon get you both mended.
But you can only fix one bus at a time, Gecko. Why don't I repair Barry's bumper? Remember, every job is quickly done, so Weasel's wheels is number 1.
Are you sure, Barry? Well, okay then. I'll get to work on Carrie. Good luck, Barry.
Luck? Oh, you want to make it a competition? Sure. Whoever does the best job is the winner. Ready? Go!
How do you like your new bumper, Carrie?
You call that a bumper? Check this out!
Wow! Well done, Mr. Weasel. Barry's bumper is actually really cool.
I'm the winner! I'm the best!
This bumper's been glued on.
Yes! But it looked good.
It did. Hey, let's fix Barry together and make a bumper for Carrie.
Really? I mean, sure, I suppose.
What tools do we need?
Huh?
Drill! Polish!
Gecko's garage, time to fix. Gecko's garage, let's fix this.
Okay, Mr. Weasel. To fix the bumper on right, use a drill to fasten the bolts tight. It's most important to be safe when bumping, but you can also be safe when the party is pumping. That's right, Mr. Weasel. A quick buff to shine. Fixing together has worked out just fine.
How about a dancing competition then? I'm sure to win that.
You're wrong. Goodbye, everyone.
I love what you've done with the garage, my little Gecky. It looked very different in my day.
Oh, thanks, Grandma.
Enjoying the scrub up, eh, Miles? He looks squeaky clean, little ones.
Mr. Weasel, he's in trouble. Grandma, wait. Thanks, Red.
Stand back, kids. Grandma rolling out.
accelerator is stuck! I can't slow down! Help!
Grandma! The sunroof!
You've got this, kiddo.
Oh!
Gecko, make it stop!
Oh, sorry!
Oh, the accelerator's stuck down with bubblegum. Ew! Oh, phew! Oh, that was a close one.
Nonsense! I had it all under control.
Oh! I couldn't have done it without you, Grandma.
No problem, kiddo. Quick thinking there. I am proud of you.
Oh, thanks, Grandma.
Hello, everyone. Oh, we've just dug this big hole so I can repair a leaky water pipe. Come on, Mechanicals. Let's get you cleaned up. It's nearly bedtime. Thanks for your great work, Eric. All clean, Mechanicals. Oh. Don't worry, Mechanicals. There aren't any scorpions here. Ah! Huh? Ah! Spinning screwdrivers! It's a giant scorpion! Wait! I know what's going on here. Come on, you lot. Things aren't always what they seem. Oh. First, let's get all this mud off you. See, Mechanicals? It's not a giant scorpion. It's our friend Eric. Oh. Now let's get your digger arm repaired. Grab your tools, it's fixing time. Screwdriver, wrench. And while we fix, we say this rhyme. Come on, Mechanicals, there's no time to lose. Let's undo these great big screws. The hydraulic pistons make Eric so strong. Let's put these new ones where they belong. You're all fixed and ready to roll. Just don't fall back into that big hole. Great work, Mechanicals. We made Eric strong and powerful again. Bye, everyone. Hello, everyone. Mr. Weasel's challenged us to a game of football. And I've got 2 terrific trucks on my team.
That trophy is mine! Frogs Flops can't match Weasel's winners. Remember, Max, you stay in goal. Because you blocked the whole thing.
Start your engines. If you have one, that is.
Good luck, team. Enjoy yourselves.
And they're off. Baby truck is dribbling. With the ball, that is. There's no way past Max the Monster Keeper. Oh, Weasel's wheels go on the attack. Great tackle. Oh no, Baby Truck has a flat tire.
Oh, baby! What rotten luck!
Weasel to Sly, who runs into Tilly. Now Tilly's exhaust has fallen off. This game is bananas.
Pass to me! Pass to me, Sly! You'll only miss! Oh! No! That was your fault, Sly!
Oh dear, you two need a fast fix.
Ooh, it's half time.
Grab your tools, it's fixing time. And while we fix, we say this rhyme. Baby's hurt, but brave all the same. With a brand new tyre, she's back in the game. Tilly's exhaust fell off with a crash. So let's reattach it quick as a flash. Now we've had a little rest, let's get back out and try our best.
Stop dawdling, you two! We have to win! Whatever it takes!
Team Gecko on the attack, repaired and ready to go. Wowee! Tilly's faster than ever with her new exhaust.
Look out!
Ow! A ropey challenge by Weasel. Red card.
Never!
Seconds left! We could win it with this free kick! Go, go, team!
Go! Gecko's garage!
No, no, no! Not fair! Cheating usually works for me.
Well done, teams. Fair play won today. Bye, everyone. Hello, everyone. Eric the Excavator's in for his service. We have to check he's fit and healthy for all the digging he does. Who wants to help? I think I'll choose yellow. I know you want to play, but I think you'll have just as much fun working in the garage. We'll start by checking your engine, Eric. Let's have a nice loud rev. You can do better than that, Eric. Ooh, 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 ooh. Hey! Great catch, Yellow. Time to test your caterpillar tread. That's part of the service, Eric. Let's see how your digger arm's working. Ooh! Needs a spot of oil, Yellow. Well done, Eric. You've passed your service, so you're all ready for lots more digging. Do you want to go and join them, Yellow? I told you work could be fun. See you all soon for more work and fun here at Gecko's Garage. Hello, everyone. We're at the campsite. It's been raining all day. But we don't mind. The mechanicals love the rain. Ah, Green has even made a little boat. She's having so much fun. Oh, go, go, Green.
little green has run out of power and needs recharging.
No problem. We'll just use her portable charging bed. Huh? Spinning screwdrivers. No power? Huh. The solar-powered charging beds collect their energy from the sun. But there's no sunlight today. We need to find another source of power.
Oh, what if we gather the energy from the rain with a water wheel?
Huh? Great idea, Grandma. We can channel the rainwater to turn the wheel.
And we can use the water wheel to power a dynamo, which turns movement into electricity that we can charge green. I'll have a look in Miles's hatch. No. Nope. Aha! A dynamo.
Let's do it! What tools do we need? Wrench. Chisel. Gecko's garage. Time to fix. Gecko's garage. Let's fix this. The first part of our water wheel scheme is to chisel out a channel to make a stream. Fix spoons to the wheel and the wheel to this pin so the water will give the wheel a spin. The water wheel drives the dynamo, creating electricity to help green go. Oh, it's working! Green's powered up and ready to go.
And just in time for us to recharge with a nice cup of tea.
Thanks, Grandma. Bye, everyone. Hello, everyone. I'm test driving Miles the motorcycle and... his throttle keeps getting stuck, so it's hard to slow down.
Oh, about time we fix that. I'll have a look in the garage for a spare part. Come on, little ones.
Oopsie. I'll help you find it, Grandma.
The radio is still broken. Don't worry. Gecko will fix you. Oh, meow wow. Look at you. I've always wanted to ride a motorcycle. Woohoo! Andale, motocicleta!
Here it is, Miles.
Grandma, you'll need this screwdriver. What's the matter, Grandma? Cat got your tongue?
No! She's got my motorcycle!
The throttle's stuck. I can't stop.
Spinning screwdrivers. Hang on, Cat.
We have to hurry. Come on, Gecky. May I fly you, dear?
You know how to fly a helicopter?
A tad rusty, but once a pilot, always a pilot.
Cat, are you okay?
Gecko, this motorcycle is out of control. It won't stop.
Because we're still repairing him.
I should have asked first. Wait, who is flying Helena?
No time to explain. I have a plan. Grandma, lower me down. Oh! Time to help our friends in need with a fix to lower Miles' speed.
Hurry, Gecko! I don't like water!
Right now, Cat!
I'm sorry for borrowing the motorcycle, Gecko.
Well, actually, Miles is Grandma's friend.
Wow, you must be Grandma. Helena Felina, but my friends call me Cat.
Pleasure to meet you. If you wanted some motorcycle lessons, just ask. I'm your gal.
You have the best grammar ever.
Why, thank you, dear. I like her, Gecko.
Until next time.